behalf of Commerce Nigeria, I'd like to welcome you all to this gathering and congratulate you for making it this far in the competition.
Congratulations. You're all the finalists of the Ongalicious Next Top Chef program. It's the fourth year that we're doing, the fourth season. And what we're also doing now in the fourth season, as you know, is we have this week program in food entrepreneurship. So not only is there a prize, but also hopefully all of you will get something out of this and some learning on food entrepreneurship, and then you can really then start up your own businesses and become incredibly successful as a chef or in a food business or whatever you choose to do. And hopefully you'll remember Onga helping you a little bit on the way, kind of developing your own talents. At the end of this week there is a cooking competition.
Yes.
And then we will crown the winner on Sunday, I believe. So you'll then have, the winner will get a cash prize, 500,000 naira. Then there's also for the first runner-up, second runner-up, I think it's 300,000 here, and 200,000. So you're all winners already, but kind of put in your best cooking. Use Onga to really delight the judges. So that you can get the cash prize, which I'm sure will be very helpful to the winner. And yeah, be successful with Onga. Onga is the helping hand in the kitchen for everyone that wants to cook, and with this competition we want to be a little helping hand to this incredible cooking talent that you are. So I wish you all the best, good luck, enjoy this make. Make the most out of it, enjoy Lagos, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on Sunday.
Thank you.
And shaking the hand of the winner.
Onga have really been so helpful to me since I met them. At least they made me put more effort in my cooking abilities and my vision of making it so big in cooking field. Because I have visions of having an app, a food app where you can get your orders and it will get delivered to you.
Good luck. What's your favorite dish that you're going to make on Sunday?
Anyone, I'm very ready.
You're already competitive versus
So I look forward to opening a YouTube channel or a means of social media whereby I can communicate with mothers out there on how to make colorful, healthy, balanced meals, on how to win their children from breastfeeding to normal. I don't thank Onga for the opportunity because they've enrolled us in the culinary school, and it's a stepping stone for me. I'm knowing the basics so far, and I look forward to being children's chef if there's something like that.
Excellent.